This is Abdullah Mamun and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook page permanently and perfectly. So keep watching this tutorial till the end, and before to subscribe my channel, smash the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started today's video. First of all, you need to go to your Facebook account, and then you can see at the top of the right side, just click on it and then go to page, and then click on that page that you want to delete. So I'm going to delete Olympics football match 2020. So I'm going to click on it, and then you will see this kind of interface here. Okay, and then click on more option. Just scroll down. After scrolling down, just click on setting option. I'm going to click on it and then click on general option. After that, scroll down slowly, so you can see remove page. Deleting your page means that nobody will be able to see or find it. Once you have clicked delete, you will have 14 days to restore it. So you guys can restore it within 14 days. After that, you will be asked to confirm whether to delete it permanently. So I'm gonna delete it permanently. Just click on it to delete your page permanently. Okay, and then finally click on delete page. So I'm gonna delete it. So guys, page enter deletion mode. You can cancel the deletion within 14 days. So you guys can see that my page has been deleted. It will be banned within 14 days. So guys, that's it for today. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.